Hi, I'm Chris, a solutions architect at Cominfo, here to tell you about one of our clients' journeys. Our warehousing and logistics client, McAllen Foreign Trade Zone, the first inland non-seaport foreign trade zone in the United States, offers full-service logistics solutions to over 100 clients representing over 42 countries worldwide. We transformed MFTZ by modernizing and automating their data collection and reporting infrastructure. We crafted a tailored integrated solution leveraging the Microsoft .NET framework, guaranteeing a singular source of truth delivered through almost instantaneous reports and dashboards using Microsoft Power BI and Fabrics for visualization. Our experts diverse an inventory management system encompassing modules for shipping and receiving, distribution and transportation, and lot and inventory management. Our solution seamlessly integrated with third-party systems, notably incorporating barcode and RFID scanning capabilities to eradicate human errors. Overall, with our solution in place, executives gain the assurance needed to make crucial business choices backed by precise and timely data, offering them diagnostic, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Our system guarantees the swift and accurate filling of US Customs forms, NFTA, facilitating their submission to the US Customs and Border Protective Agency. This efficiency minimizes border wait times and reduces transportation expenses. Consequently, MFTZ distinguishes itself as a frontrunner among foreign trade zones in the United States, maintaining a proactive stance in the industry.